We have 12 themes in our what we call neighborhoods, and they range from themes like going places, where students are visiting different places and they are experiencing going on a canoe, getting on a bus and riding somewhere. We also have one called Space City. That one's very specific to Houston because we're in the Houston area, so we have that one, and students they become astronauts and they learn about the planets. We have digging dinos, where students are digging through a digging pit to look for fossils, or they're learning about the passage of time. Where we have our community, and that one is very close to my heart because it's specifically about our Alief community and learning about all the different wonderful things that are here. We have another one called International District, and that was also designed specifically for us because Alief ISD is the International District. So students are learning about the many different cultures, and they get to share about their cultures and learn about their classmates' cultures as well. There's a big emphasis on STEM as well. And so we have hidden forces. Students are learning about gravity and force and motion. And these are all specifically designed for Alief and for what we thought was important for our students to know. We look through all of the standards that students and all of the skills that students needed to have and the knowledge we wanted them to get from all of this. And so we brought all of that to them so that they could learn it and give them the background knowledge and the vocabulary that they need in order to be successful later on.